Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hit various different heat burst or heat rush moves on the Tekken 8 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tekken 8 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken through the main menu from which you can start various different matches. Now within your match, whenever you are playing against another player, you can turn on the special mode by using the O button in order to enable or disable it. When you tap on this, you will be shown that the P button will use the heat burst, and if you wish to charge your heat bursts, you can press the light punch and the medium punch button at once, which will begin the heat rush attack right away. You can use various different kinds of heat rush, and you can also tap on the P button in order to attack using a heat burst. You can also pause the game by tapping on the B button on your keyboard or the start button on your joystick, and then go into the move list option, from which you can see the heat rush and the heat activation menus at the very beginning. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate heat rush and heat burst within the Tekken 8 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.